the vacuum. This is the start button. Nice to see. And it has 8-hole band. Has variable speeds here. Dial. Material wise looks very sturdy, like most of DEWALT stuff. I own multiple DEWALT equipments, as you might be able to see, and tools. So I don't have access to any. Actually, I like good stuff, and it seems like the DEWALT is consistently great products, but also I own other brands as well. So yeah, it comes with this filter. I'm not really sure how good this filter is. We'll try and see, but that will be for an extra review probably. But in general, this is what you get out of the box. Cool.
I ordered new product, but this is used already. Dirt inside.